I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're dealing with a transfer pending status on Splitit, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review transaction details. Log into your Splitit account and review the transaction details for any discrepancies. Look for any flags or alerts that might indicate why the transfer is pending. Step 3. Contact customer support. If everything seems fine but the issue persists, reach out to Splitit's customer support. They can provide specific insights into your account status and any potential issues. Step 4. Verify merchant status. Check if the merchant you are purchasing from has any issues on their end. Sometimes, the merchant's account can affect the transfer process. Step 5. Wait for processing. If all else checks out, it might just be a matter of waiting. Transfers can take some time to process, especially during peak times. Hopefully, these steps help you resolve the pending transfer issue quickly. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask.